Okay, I have these really big thick tires, and I have a small puncture in there somewhere. I have no idea where it is, but this is a 16-ounce bottle of this slime stuff. You squeeze the slime through the nozzle here. In the side here is this little tube. You might need to peel this back a little bit. Take this tube out. You want to take the lid off. Then you have this cap here. You're going to want to remove this is actually a tool to get something out. This is the tricky part. But do you see this part right here? It's sticking out a little bit. You plug it inside here. And you're gonna, there's a piece in there that you need to get out. Do you see that little thing that's poking out? A little piece that needs to come out. This needs to come out of here. Now put the cap back on. And then you want to put this over here. And you want to squeeze 8 ounces into these big tires. If you got skinnier tires, then you can squeeze 4 or 5 ounces in there. See, it's going right inside. Hold it still, Harvey. I'm going to squeeze half of this bottle in this tire. You want the tire facing up like this so that the goo will go down. I think I'm almost halfway there. There we go, that's about half, I think. When you insert this back inside here, the nozzle, make sure this part's facing up. Put that in, and then you're gonna use your tool to tighten that again. And then stop when it gets snug. Okay, now once you have it blown up, put this cap back on. Just spin that wheel once there's air in the tire. So just spin it for a minute or two. Make sure that gets dispersed through the tire really well. And this will fill in any of the holes up to 1/8 of an inch thick. And it says it'll guarantee filling in those holes for at least 2 years.